Hey guys, welcome back to Trendy Gadget. Today we'll talk about how the NVIDIA 4090 will perform. Let's head into it. NVIDIA's 4000 series. It's too early to say when the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4000 series cards will be released or what features they'll include. However, it is known that it's in development and will be released in 2022. Trendy Gadget will, of course, keep you informed if anything changes in the future. Until then, the RTX 3000 series will suffice to give you a fantastic gaming experience. That is, if you can get your hands on one.
The shortage of these cards will last until at least 2021.
NVIDIA's most recent GPU lineup, the RTX 3000 series, was released in Q4 of 2020. The performance boost from the previous generations of GPUs, the RTX 2000 series, to the new Ampere architecture was much appreciated. The 3070 and 3080 were nearly 30% faster than their predecessors, while also being 30% less expensive. It's a win-win situation for everyone. However, upgrading from an RTX 2070 to RTX 3070 is still difficult to justify. This may appear to many as a waste of money. As a result, all those people are probably looking forward to NVIDIA's next big thing, maybe even AMD. The RTX 4000 series is the next big thing. If you're curious about what the next generation of NVIDIA graphics cards will have to offer, this is the best place to go. Release date. There is currently no official word on when the next GPU lineup will be released. Even the company itself is probably too early to predict when the next big release will arrive. So, what exactly do we know? It is known, or at the very least assumed, that something is in the works. Considering this company's history, the RTX 4000 series is almost certainly in the works. However, it's clear that no new versions of that architecture will be released in 2021. It's still too early to tell, especially after reports that a 3070 Ti or Super 3080 Ti and possibly a 3090 Ti will be released. These new SKUs will be available in 2021. To put it another way, NVIDIA already has a lot on its plate. Based on the information available, 2022 appears to be a viable candidate for a new GPU lineup release. Keep in mind that it could happen as late as 2022. Specifications. As previously stated, no official information on the RTX 4000 series is available, but there have been some rumors and leaks. All that is known right now is that the architecture's codename could be Ada Lovelace. The Ada Lovelace microarchitecture will be fabricated on a 5nm process, which is a significant improvement over the 8nm Ampere or Samsung chips. The term smaller microarchitecture can refer to one of two things, providing significantly more performance while using significantly less energy. NVIDIA could shrink the chip size while significantly increasing the number of transistors using a 5nm microarchitecture. However, whether TSMC or Samsung will be able to deliver their 5nm fabrication process on time remains to be seen. According to leaks, the GA102 or the 3090-3080 chip will have more than 7,500 CUDA cores. GPC or graphics processing clusters increased from 7 to 12, and TPC or texture processing clusters increased by 30. For the uninitiated, this is a significant increase in specifications, given that the Ampere chip has only one GPC more than the Turing 102 chip. With all these numbers in mind, it's possible that the chip will deliver more than 65 teraflops, which is more than double what Ampere's best can do. Because there isn't any additional information from NVIDIA, it's impossible to predict how much the cards will cost. However, given that AMD is right behind them in terms of GPU performance, if not ahead of them, NVIDIA will most likely maintain the same pricing as Ampere. The 4060 will cost around $330, the 4070 will cost around $500, the 4080 will cost $700, and we'll see what the 4090 or Titan will cost.
Resident leaker Kopite7Kimmy has just discussed the upcoming Ada Lovelace architecture.
The 4090, NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 3090, is an enthusiast graphics card that was released in September 2020. The card, which is based on the GA102 graphics processor and built on an 8nm process, supports DirectX 12 Ultimate in its GA102 300A1 variant. All modern games will run on the GeForce RTX 3090 as a result of this. In addition, the DirectX 12 Ultimate capability ensures that future video games will support hardware ray tracing, variable rate shading, and other features. With a die area of 628 squared millimeters and 28,300 million transistors, the GA102 graphics processor is a large chip. It has 112 ROPs, 10,496 shading units, and 328 texture mapping units. There are also 328 tensor codes, which help machine learning applications run faster. There are also 82 ray tracing acceleration cores on the card. The GeForce RTX 3090 is paired with 24GB GDDR6X memory, which is connected via a 384-bit memory interface. The GPU runs at a frequency of 1395 MHz, which can be increased to 1695 MHz, and the memory runs at 1219 MHz, or 19.5 GB per second effective.
The almost
hilariously huge RTX 3090, basically NASA in a damn box. It's designed for 8K gaming.
With these already amazing stats, we expect NVIDIA to deliver even better benchmarks for the 4090, so we should see at least 15,000 shading units, 450 texture mapping units, and 150 ROPs. Probably we'll even see 32GB GDDR6X memory. Definitely something to look out for. What do you think about the NVIDIA RTX 4090? Do you plan to buy one? Once it's available, let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.